Go to the source of yoga. India is a land of intense, rich culture which gave the world the basis of civilization and its most ancient spirituality. Yoga Life trips to India take you on a journey of personal discovery, practicing yoga where the great yogis have for millennia.
It was a great experience for me. It was the first time going to India, and it was great that this country and its people were being introduced to me by an Indian native, Sanjeev. It helped me to understand the culture better, their traditions, their people. It softened the cultural shock as well. And we did yoga on this trip in the morning in a beautiful castle, very, very nice setting. And after that I had 1 or 2 Ayurvedic treatments in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. And it was really amazing. So now only with the distance I see how calm I was throughout this trip.